If you have tight muscles or a lot of tension around your neck, shoulder, and particularly the back of your arms and the top of your shoulder, but you find it hard to get some relief for that tension with a foam roller on the floor, then I have an alternative for you. You can use a wall with the foam roller, or you can use this TheraBand foot roller on the wall as well. And what I like about the wall is that you can really adjust the pressure for what sensitivity you need for your body. So I'll show you how I use this, and I'll use the foot roller, but you would use the foam roller in the same way. Make sure it's a soft foam roller so it can really get into all the tissues. The foot roller is not quite as soft as this, but it's still pretty soft. You'll take the roller, place it on the wall, and maybe start at the top of your arm. And you're going to just bend your knees. So you're going into a little squat and lift up. You can push more into the wall with your arm if you want a little more pressure. And you can adjust the angle more to the back of the arm as you need. And again, bend and straighten. So you'll do a little bit here and then move down the arm, getting closer and closer to the elbow, and you might notice some spots are a little more sensitive than others. The reason I like the foot roller is also that you can do the top and the back of the shoulder a little bit more easily than on the floor for sure. You're going to put the roller on the wall, and then you're rolling again, just a short distance. So you're bending and straightening the knees to go up and down, but you're going across the top of the scapula. You could go your full back on the wall and go up and down the scapula. Again, just managing the pressure as you need. The great thing about the soft foam roller and the soft foot roller is that you can create a little more movement in the tissues around the nerve, particularly if you have thoracic outlet syndrome. Once you get those tissues moving, then there'll be less compression on the nerve, and hopefully that will reduce the tingling and other symptoms that you get from that nerve compression. Let me know how it goes for you, and I will see you in the next video.